this is Rashmi Jain. Welcome back to my channel Life with Rashmi. So today my topic of discussion is balance sheet of your life. I know balance sheet holds the assets and liabilities. It is measured according to where one person stands. But the real balance sheet defines your expertise, knowledge, your skills, your education, your kindness and your deeds. So I'm going to tell you my balance sheet and let's see what's your balance sheet. Let's compare it and let's see where you stand in true sense. Right? So that you need to work upon the real balance sheet of life to improve your original balance sheet. So let's get started. Now, according to me, the greatest joy is in giving. Everyone receives gifts and feel that they are super happy, but according to me, I feel that when I give something to someone, I feel more happy. So it's my habit. Whenever I cook, I usually cook a large quantity, not only for my kids, my family, but I usually cook for my servants and their kids also. And when I see the smile on their face, वो जो उनका फेस पे वो चार्म आता है, because they have never eaten pizza, burger, these kinds of things, and I feel really blessed to see the smile, and I feel happy and joyous when I add something to someone's life. The next question is the greatest asset in my life. So I feel it's my faith. Faith in believing in myself, faith in God, and faith in having that everything would happen for a good reason. So faith is my biggest asset. It's not my property, my land, my my accessories, my jewelry. No, I believe the biggest and the greatest asset is faith. So the most dangerous act, I think it's gossip. When people gossip, that's the most dangerous act that can break someone's character. And people are in a habit. They don't think and they break the character of the other person by gossiping, फालतू की बातें, इधर उधर की बातें that even don't required. Right? So that's the most dangerous act in your life. If you are gossiping about someone, you are creating negative vibrations for yourself. That person is not going to get affected with your words. So never to gossip. So the next is the world's most incredible computer. That's your brain. Always feed your brain with positive thoughts, with positivity, with good thoughts, with energetic work, with ideas, so that makes you reach ahead in your life and don't pull you back. So feed your mind like you feed your stomach with a healthy food. Always feed your mind with healthy thoughts. Right? That's very important aspect to improve your balance sheet in your life. So the next question is the more satisfying work. I feel that's helping others. Because when you help others, you create blessings for yourself and it gives you a satisfaction. If you have a lot of work, just go one way ahead and help others. I usually do, and I too believe that it gives you a lot of satisfaction. Be always a helping hand to the person that requires. That's the beautiful aspect of life. So coming to the next question, the ugliest personality trait. So according to me, I don't have any person, like I don't hate any person. अगर किसी के अंदर बहुत aggression है, बहुत aggressive person है, still I don't hate that person. I don't feel कि that is the ugliest part of it. Even if someone is very stubborn, ज़िद्दी इंसान है, तो भी मैं ये नहीं कहती कि that person is bad person or that person has a ugly aspect of पर्सनालिटी. सो मेरी नज़रों में कभी भी कोई पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट ऐसा नहीं है जब मैं ये बोल पाऊँ कि हाँ इसके अंदर ये गलत है. बट वन थिंग which I really hate and I feel is the ugliest personality trait is selfishness. I hate selfish people. That people that take advantage of others and never lend their hand in need when they require. So don't be selfish in your life and improve your balance sheet of life. Okay, so coming to the most destructive habit of mine, I think it's worry. Right, worry is the root cause of anxiety, stress, depression, and even health issues. So I feel that worrying for nonsense is just like हम फालतू में अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं और हमें मिलने कुछ नहीं वाला. So it's my bad habit, and I feel that it is the very destructive habit of mine. And if you have also that habit, you worry a lot, then you need to skip that habit and live a good balance sheet of life and create it, that balance. Next comes the greatest loss. What is your greatest loss? So losing home, money, jewelry, losing friends. You feel that that's your greatest loss in your life. But according to me, I feel that losing your self-respect is what matters. You should never compromise on behalf of your सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट. अगर मुझसे कोई मेरी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट के बारे में कुछ गलत बात बोलता है तो आई प्रेफर टू वॉक अवे इंस्टेड ऑफ डिबेटिंग एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ मेकिंग माई सेल्फ फील डाउन एंड लूजिंग माई सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट. आई कैन नेवर कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन माई सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट. So coming to the next one, that is the greatest problem to overcome. According to me, you can overcome any problem if you have the courage. But you can't solve that problem if you fear. So fear is the greatest obstacle and the greatest problem that can harm your peace, that can ruin your life, and that can never solve any of the problems in your life. You can face any problem if you have the courage. So according to me, I also fear for some of the things in my life, and so I need to work upon the greatest problem, that is my fear. If you too have that problem, do prefer and do let that overcome that fear and come out with a more superior person. The most crippling failure disease, according to me, it's giving excuses. When you give excuses when it's not required. Some people come in my class and they give excuses. Ma'am, I can't attend the class because I have a party. See, for party you are missing such an important session which are going to be held only 2 days in a week. You can't manage your time. They give excuses, today I am not well. So I like this, when you are giving excuses, you fail to rise. You can't reach your goal. You can't rise. You always fall down because you are not dedicated towards your goals, towards the class, anything. I mean anything. Right? So always be dedicated, because otherwise it's like a disease and it can never make you rise. It will always make you fail. So don't give excuses when not required. So the 2 most power-filled words in your life. What are the words that gives you power? Is it money? No. Is it your family? No. The powerful words are I can. Yes, I can. I can do this. I can do that. I am not afraid of it. I can handle this situation. I am very much aware of it, and I can do it better than you and your ideas. So I can be capable to do anything in my life with very frequently. Speak like that. Always speak positive about yourself. I can do that. I can do that. This. Don't say I can't. When you add I can't, you are dropping your only self-image. You are giving wrong signals to the universe. So always say positive and always give positive signals. The most powerful attire, I think it's smile. It's not your clothing, it's not your accessories, it's not your handbags, your shoe. All is your smile. How you smile, the way you smile in a tough situation, the way you handle things with a smile, and how you talk with other person by giving a beautiful smile. That what reflects your beautiful attire and adds sparkling personality in your outfit. That's your smile. Always smile. Next question is the most worthless emotion. Yeah. Is it crying? No. Is it being afraid to talk? Fear? No. It's being having a stubborn personality? No. The most worthless emotion is having self pity. When you take self pity from someone कि मैंने हाय मैं बेचारी मैंने ये किया था मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ मेरे साथ ही क्यों ऐसा होता है why always me when you take pity from others you are taking self pity that's the most worthless emotion eliminate it don't do that that's very important that it's good to build a kind nature and believe in yourself and don't seek pity from others always seek pity from God ask God and God will help you that's important so the last one the most powerful channel of communication is it phone no is it mobile phones or radio, television, newspaper, magazines? They all are the channels that communicate you with the other person. So I feel that the most powerful communication of channel is like prayer. Pray to God. That's the strongest communication channel and your wishes get fulfilled at once. Communicate with God. Communicate your feelings, communicate your emotions, communicate. So with this, I'm going to end it. So I hope that you would love this video and you would realize that possessions are not that important and in real life what balance sheet means. You need to work upon this balance sheet to improve your that balance sheet. Automatically it would improve. So have fun, enjoy, take care, see you in the next video. Bye bye.